What's up mga ka-TYUKi? Welcome po sa TYUKi TV. In this episode, we will be talking about left turns and right turns. This is a request. In this episode, we will be discussing it in detail. Alright, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. Consider subscribing. Let's go. A left turn is not just a left turn. There will always be a lot of things to consider. If you're new, then this is for you. Okay, first and foremost, if we're going towards the keep clear sign from an establishment going into the main road, it's going to be 2 stops. First stop would be for pedestrians, traffic check, left, right, left, let them go, and then go towards the second stop. Okay, traffic check again, and then wait for them to give it to you. Okay, now you can go. Don't forget the turn signal. Enter the keep clear, and then there you go. You always have to look at your stop sign. This is a 2 stop. Okay, so full stop, traffic check. And since we're going towards the left, we need to traffic check again. Stop for the second time, traffic check. If it's clear, you can always go. When turning left, you always have to check your stop sign. You always have to know if it's a 1 stop or a 2 stop. If it's an all-way, it's a 1 stop. If it's a 2-way intersection, then you have to stop twice. During the test, if you don't properly stop before the stopping line, you are going to be given 1 point deduction. If you constantly do it, then they'll just keep on deducting points from you. Eventually, you get more than 15, you fail the test. You can turn signal 100 feet before the actual turn. This is to show those vehicles at the back your intention of going to the turn, which is the left turn. Okay, in this situation, this is a protected intersection. Therefore, we are going to focus on the red arrow. Once it turns green, you're good to go. That's your right of way. You don't have to stop for anyone, you just go. Don't forget to turn your turn signal on. If in case there are illegal pedestrian crossing, you still have to stop even if it's a green arrow. Pedestrians always has the right of way. Always go with the correct speed. Always go to your correct lane. You always have to give way to those vehicles who are going straight and right. Turn signal on. Once it's clear, then you can go. Okay, when turning right, okay, if it's a red light, just make sure you stop, traffic check, and then you can go. If it's free, you can always go. Turning right without a stop sign from the main road, you have to make sure you turn signal on, you traffic check, signal mirror over the shoulder. If you don't have a stop sign, don't stop, just free fall. And there's your right turn. Okay, just make sure you came in first, traffic check, then take it. At the stop, we'll make a right turn. This is a 2-stop. Okay, stop at the first stopping line, traffic check. And then towards the curb. Traffic check again, 1, 2, 3, and then if it's free, then you can always go. Making a right turn with a yield sign. When making a right turn, if there's a yield sign, then you have to stop. At the stopping line, it doesn't matter if it's red, just traffic check. If it's clear, you can always go. Right turn, right lane. Right turn to a 2-way stop sign. First, turn signal to the right, stop before the line, traffic check for pedestrian crossing, 1 revolution towards the curve. Once you see the incoming cars, traffic check. If it's free, you can always go. Now that's your proper right turn on a 2-way stop. Okay, making a right turn with no stop sign. You always have to turn signal still. This episode is for Burnout Shoes. He had constantly asked us to make an episode for left turns and right turns. Left turn, left lane, right turn, right lane. That's it. That's our episode for today. It's just a simple left and right turn. But still, you have to consider a lot. Number 1 would be know your stop sign and know how to deal with your stop light. As long as you have the arrow, you have the right of way. When you lose the arrow and the only thing that's left is the regular green light, then that's the time you yield. That is your left turn, yield on green. Okay, first know the stop sign, then stop before the stopping line, wait until it's 0, make a traffic check. If you're free, then you can always go.